From FX Empire, this is Chris taking a look at the S&P 500 and the NASDAQ 100. You can see that we tried to rally a bit during the trading session on Friday, but we're running into a buzzsaw resistance as the American and the Chinese delegates are still talking. And I think that's essentially what this market's waiting to see what happens next. With all of this resistance here, I would suspect that a pullback's got to be coming. But let's face it, most analysts thought this pullback was coming several times on the way up. So I look at dips as a potential buying opportunity, especially around 27 and 27.50. If we get bad news out of the talks, and let's face it, the attitude will change rather quickly. There's probably more room to disappoint than there is to excite. I think at this point we've kind of priced in perhaps a delay of the tariffs. Anything outside of that will probably, unless of course it's a actual signed deal, will probably be negative. Over here in the Nasdaq, same situation. Um, I could talk about three different levels here that are resistive. So it's going to be very difficult to go higher. We need a deal between the Americans and the Chinese to get through this, I think. So until that happens, I suspect you've probably got sideways action, perhaps more of a downward proclivity, maybe a pullback to the 200-day EMA.